Hello everyone, coming towards a new topic in MIS, that is decision making and MIS. So let it see. MIS provide accurate and timely information necessary to facilitate the decision making process and enable the organizational planning, control and operational functions to be carried out effectively. Okay, MIS work on the online mode, but in decision support system it works on the real time mode. So first of all, what is meant by decision? Okay, so decision means the thought or process selecting a logical choice from the available operation. When we trying to make a good decision, a person must be weight a positive and negative of each option and consider all the alternative. Then decision has been taken from word decide, which is a Latin word meaning to cut off or to come to a conclusion. Okay, so decision making means what? So decision making, it is a process of selecting among the alternative. For effective decision making, a person must be able to forecast the outcome of each option as well as based on all these items determine which option is best for the particular situation. Okay, decision may be regarded as a choice whereby a decision maker comes to a conclusion about a given situation. A decision represents a course of the behavior selected from a number of possible alternatives. Decision is the developing concept leading to selecting of a course of action among the variations of every decisions making process and produces a final choice. Okay, decision making is a daily activity for any human being. There is no exception about that. When it comes to a business organization, decision making is a habit and process as well. Okay, effective and successful decision result a profit, but while unsuccessful one can cause losses. Therefore, cooperative decision making is most critical process in any organization. In the process of decision making, we may use many tools, techniques and prescriptions. Okay, decision making is so hard but not critical. Then next, 4 stages of decision making process. So first is intelligence. So what is meant by intelligence? Intelligence means discovering, identifying and understanding the problem occurring in the organization. It involves scanning environment either intermediately or continuously. It includes monitoring the result of implementation phase of a decision making. Then next stage is design. Design means identifying and exploring solution of problem. It means that it is the decision making is based on the objective principle that may or may not be applied. It's making the most objective decision you can with an understanding that in the end those decisions are all the subjective. Okay, then third stage is choice. So what is meant by choice? Choice means choosing among the solutions alternatives. Okay, choice the right power of opportunity to choose. Okay, and then last stage is implementation. So making chosen alternatives works and counting to monitor how well solution is working. Okay, implementation is where through move a reality. Okay, this is a 4 stage of decision making. Then next, various technique of decision. Okay, first is group discussion, second is cost benefit analysis, third one is ratio analysis, fourth one is financial analysis and fifth one is break even analysis. These are a various technique to giving a decision. Okay, then next is skill related to decision making. Skill is so important to giving a decision. So first is active listening, second is interpersonal skill, third one is collaboration, fourth is communication, fifth is logic, sixth is problem solving, seventh is time management and eighth is critical thinking. So these are all about a decision making in MIS. So thank you to see and listening my video. Goodbye everyone.